Welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to continue looking at functions, and in today's subtopic, we are going to look at finding the range of the function when the domain is given. Finding the range of the function when the domain is given. Okay, that is our topic for today. So down here we have a question which is the function has the rule which is 7x plus 1. Find the range when the domain is A 3, B 6, C 10. So we're asked to find the range and the domain is given. Okay, so what we need to do is first we need to identify the rule of this function, which is 7x plus 1. That is the rule. 7x plus 1. Now, when you have identified the rule, the other thing you need to know is you need to know what a range is. So, what a range is as well as what a domain is. Now, the range is the output. As you can see down there, I've written in red. The range is the output, the answer you get. Okay? Then, domain is the input. Okay? Something which you put in order to generate a domain. So it's more or less like a process. Let's say you are making sugar. Okay, so domain is a sugar cane, then range is the sugar itself. Now the final product, the sugar we get. Okay, so that is what a domain is and what a range is. Domain is just the input, then range is the output. So in the scenario of sugarcane, the entire process is what we are given here, which is 7x plus 1. It's a process of making sugar. So now coming to our topic, we are saying the function has the rule which is 7x plus 1. Find the range when domain is A 3, B 6, C 10. Okay, so I want to find the output. Okay, when we put 3, when our input is 3, what is the output? Using the process which is 7x plus 1. Okay, so what you can do is we're going to replace x by 3. So we're going to say 7 multiplied by 3 plus 1. So 7 multiplied by 3 will give us 21 plus 1, which will give us 22. So the range when 3 is used is 22. Okay, in other words, you can say f of 3 is equal to 23. Oh, 22, sorry, not 23. F of 3 is equal to 22. Or the image of 3 is 22. Okay? All right, now let's go to B, where the domain is 6. So what we're going to do, we're going to write the rule. Then we're going to replace x by 6. Then we multiply 7 by 6 will give us 42 plus 1, which will give us 43. So the range when the domain is 6 is 43. Okay, now let's go to the last example. Okay, let me just make some adjustment here. Okay, so when x is 10, what is the range? So we are going to say 7x plus 1. So we're going to replace x by 10. So which is going to be 7 multiplied by 10 plus 1, which will 7 multiplied by 10 will give us 70 plus 1 will give us 71. So basically, this is how you can find the range when the domain is given and the rule is given. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. It has been easy learning zed-Mathematics. The future is bright. Thank you so much. God bless you.